Hi there, this side Viren. So today we are trying to discuss Codeforces round and the round number is 748 and it is specially made up for DU3 participant. So the level of this question is not that much difficult. You can able to see the difficulty level of this question is 800, which is also minimum at this platform. And yeah, the implementation of max is present in this question. So let us try to understand what was the question, and question name is election. Here is the scenario of this question is given. So let us try to understand what was the scenario. It is basically an election scenario where three candidates participate in this election. The first candidate received A vote, second received B vote, and the same as third received C vote. So we have to find how many votes we should added to win this can to win a particular election by a candidate. So yeah, let us see what was the input want to say. Input contain first line T, the number of test cases, and respective test cases contain ABC. So yeah, there is a first line of input is T, and there is in each every T line contain ABC individually, which is the number of votes which are received by individual candidate in this election. And similarly for output contain three integer. For each line of output contain three integer ABC, the number of votes we have to add to win a particular candidate. So let us try to understand more clearly by using the test cases. So here we can able to see that first candidate have one vote, second have five vote, and third have three vote. So here the second candidate was the winner of this election. So our task is to find how many vote we have to added to individual candidate to win the election. So here already the second candidate have 5 vote, so maximum 6 vote needed for a participant to win a election is 6. So yeah, let us try to find how many votes first candidate need. It need 5 more vote to win this election, and it is already win this election, so it doesn't need any more vote. And third candidate need 3 more votes to win this election. So yeah, this is the only thing of output. So let us try to implement this concept in second case also. Here is also the third candidate have 5 vote, so he already win this election, but we have to say the how many more votes needs the candidate to win this election. That is 6 is the in total. So first candidate need 5 more vote, second candidate has received 0 votes, so he needs 6 more vote to win this election. And as we said earlier that the winner needs 0 vote. So yeah, this is the only simple implementation we are using in our code. Let us try to see how I implemented in code. So you are able to see that I got accepted label in first attempt only. So yeah, this is the solution. Let us zoom it out. So yeah, as you can see, first line contain T as I taken here T, and I run this while loop for T time and call this solve function. So here is the main implementation of this question is done in solve function. That first line of each test case has three integer ABC, the number of votes, and I take input from the user, and I initialize one minimum function with 0. So here I used one inbuilt function, that is max, and in max again I use one max to finding the maximum of 3, maximum of 2, which is not winner of this election, and the subtracting the number of element that is containing the winner of this election. So yeah, this will the number of vote is needed by first candidate to win the election. There is one doubt in your mind that if the candidate is already the winner of election, then what was the output? And then simply the output is 0, because we are subtracting the same number. This is give if, for example, if first candidate is already the winner of this election, so it will contain a vote is, so and we minus a, then it will 0. So the maximum function will take 0 comma 0. The maximum function itself contain 0. So output of this call is 0. Similarly we did for second candidate, and similarly we did for third candidate. So yeah, this is the simple implementation I did in this question. And yeah, you can able to see here also it will pass each and every test cases. and I got accepted label for this question also. So yeah, this is the only simple logic we used here, which is quite simple. And if you have any doubt related to the question, so you are freely comment down in the comment section. I will try to reach out to you and solve your query. Thanks for watching this video.